to my YouTube channel. It's like basically thundery outside. Look at the outside. Oh my gosh. Bro, I think it's thundering or something. Well, it is thundering, but it's like a hurricane. And Gabe, and guess what? Gabe, he found out in New York. If you live in New York, oh my, no, guys, look, chat. Also, chat, there's a wasp outside right there, but he's chilling. But I think Gabe said there was gonna be a flood in New York. If you live in New York, be safe. But oh my gosh, guys, look at the outside. Oh my gosh. Guys, are we safe? Like if we're safe. Subscribe if you don't think we're gonna be safe. Oh, there's a fat guy out there. But guys, that's all for today's video. Bye.